Children, today we will solve exercise number 7.6 of money, and your question number 1 is 16 rupees into 8. 16 rupees into 8. Then what will your answer? 8 6 are 48. Then we put here 8 and 4 will be carry out. After that 8 1 are 8 plus 4 12, and then your answer will be 12 rupees and 80 paise. In question number 2, what is question number 2? 85 paise into 9. 9 5 is 45. Then we put here 5 and 4 will be carry out. 9 8 is 72 plus 4 is equal to 76 paise. But when we convert into rupees, it will be 7 rupees and 65 paise. And question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Now we'll move on question number 5. Question number 5 is 5 rupees and 39 paise into 3. Then how we will solve it? 3 9s are 27. Then we put here 7 and 2 will be carry out with 3. 2 will be carry out with 3, and 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We put here 1 of 11 and 1 will be carry out with 5. 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16, and don't forget put a dot leaving 2 digits from our right side. Okay children, then your answer will be 16 rupees and 17 paise. And question number 6 is your homework. Question number, now we will see question number 7. If 1 liter of milk cost Rs 24 rupees, find the cost of 5 liter of milk. बच्चा इसमें पूछ रहा है कि यदि 1 लीटर दूध का जो कॉस्ट है वो 24 रुपीज़ है, तो 5 लीटर दूध का कॉस्ट क्या होगा? तो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर? 24 into 5. 5 4 जा 20. We will put here 0. 2 will be carry with 2. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Here 120 rupees is cost of 5 liter of milk. then your answer will be 120 rupees and 00 paise. Children, now we will see question number 9. If 1 kilogram potatoes cost rupees 6 and 25 paise, find the cost of 9 kilogram of potatoes. इसमें आपको पूछ रहा है बच्चा कि 1 किलोग्राम आलू का कास्ट क्या है 6 रुपीज़ एंड 25 पैसे. देन व्हाट विल बी द कास्ट ऑफ 9 किलोग्राम ऑफ पोटैटोज. देन व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, व्हाट वी विल डू हियर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, वी विल डू मल्टीप्लाई 6.25 by 9. Then 9 5 ja 45. We put here 5 and 4 will be carry out with 2. 9 2 ja 18. 9 2 ja 18 plus 2. Children, wait a minute. My 9 2 is 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. We put here 2 and 2 will be carry out with 6. 9 6 ja 54 plus 2 is equal to 56, and we put a dot leaving of 2 digits from our right side. Then your answer will be 56 rupees and 25 paise. Okay. And children, in question number 10, the process is same as like 9. So question number 10 is your homework. We will see question number 11. Daljit went to a shop. He bought 2 cards of 25 paise each, an ordinary envelope for rupees 5 and 3 decorative papers for rupees 16 and 50 paise each. He gave 100 rupees note. How much money did he get back? इसमें क्या करना है बच्चा, हमें पहले first we will add all the prices of these items. Then we subtract from rupees 100. उसने क्या खरीदा, उसने खरीदा है 2 कार्ड्स खरीदे हैं 25 पैसे के. क्या हो गए आपके कार्ड्स हैं 25 पैसे के. तो इसका टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होगा बच्चा, एक का प्राइस है 25 पैसे, तो 2 का क्या होगा, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे 25 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू 2 5 जा 10. We put here 0. 1 will be carry out. 2 2 जा 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. टोटल आएगा आपका जो उसने कार्ड खरीदा था, दो कार्ड का प्राइस होगा आपका 50 पैसे एंड ऑर्डिनरी इनवेलप है an ordinary envelope for ₹5. We will write its price as same, and 3 decorative paper for ₹16 and 50 each. तो उसने कितना डेकोरेटिव पेपर खरीदा बच्चा? 3 खरीदा है उसने. Three zero ja 0, 3 5 ja 15. We put here 5. 1 will be carry out with 6. 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 19. Then we put here 9. 1 will be carry out with 1. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 equal to 4. And we put a dot leaving 2 digits from our right side. Then the total cost of decorative paper will be ₹49 and 50. After that, we add all the prices of these products. ₹49 and 50 and ₹5 का उसने एनवेलप खरीदा है. ₹5 and 00 एंड उसने 2 कार्ड्स खरीदे हैं कितने? 50 के. देन वी ऐड देम 0 5 plus 10 will be 5 plus 5 will be 10. 0 1 will be carry out 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15. 1 will be carry out with 4 and 4 1 5. The total cost of these 3 items will be ₹55 and 00. After that, we will minus from ₹100. Ten minus 5 equal to 5. 0 ने बोरो कर लिया था. 0 had borrowed 1 from 10. We have left number 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Then Daljit get back money rupees 45 and 00 paise. Okay children, understood?